Assalamu friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of one of the best power banks in my opinion from Ugreen, which is 100 watts and 20,000 milliamps. So let me just quickly unbox this. I ordered it from Noon SuperMall and you can get this very instantly at your doorstep if you order from noon.com, and you can use my code OFT to get 10 Saudi Riyals cash back. So it is a very nice service that they are providing, Noon SuperMall. So I will put the link in the description where you can purchase this from. There is an ongoing sale for this power bank specifically. I'm gonna be using it for my 1x Fly F1 Pro because it has not that big of a battery, so it's very handy if you carry a power bank with you for the 1x Fly F1 Pro. So let me just quickly take out the box, and here we have Ugreen power bank, 100 watt to 20,000 milliamps. So on the front, as you can see, for Samsung phones, so you can fast charge your Samsung devices as well, flight approved and safe charging. So two-way fast charging power bank. And on the back we have some specifications. You can pause and read it. So yeah, it has three ports that you can charge from, and it also comes with the USB type C to type C cable, which I'm going to be showing you after we unbox this. So yeah, the package it's quite heavy actually. So let me just quickly show you, and it is 100% authentic product, as you can see on the side. So that is also very good. You can get this for 209 Saudi Riyals, and you also get a cash back of 10 Saudi Riyals inside your wallet if you buy from Noon. You can also purchase this in Dubai as well. So let me quickly cut this plastic. And now let's open it. I don't know why it's so hard to open. So yeah, here is our power bank. Let me put this plastic to the side. There is nothing inside the box. So here is our power bank. Let's quickly see what's inside the box. So here is a pouch, very nice pouch that they provided us to carry your power bank and to protect it as well. So yeah, a really nice pouch. And we have some, let's see, some stickers, warranty, quick start guide, user instruction, so you can read that. And we have other papers as well. I believe this is what, yeah, this is also a quick start guide detailing all the features, so you can pause and read that as well. So let me just put this to the side. And here is our USB type C cable, a very nice, good quality USB type C cable, but the length is not that big. As you can see, it's a very short USB type C cable with the Ugreen branding on it. So yeah, still very nice quality USB type C, but it's not braided. So yeah, now let's quickly check our power bank. Let me put these to the side, and let's open this. I'm gonna rip the plastic. So here is our power bank. It looks really nice. I really like the color, gray color. It looks really nice. 100 watts, as you can see, 20,000 milliamps. Here is the button. It's heavy actually, it's very heavy, but not heavy compared to other Ugreen's power bank which are currently available. So we have three USB ports. Here is our USB type C port, USB 3.0 port, 3.1 I believe, and here is another USB type C port. But if you want to fast charge up to 100 watts, you are going to use the right port. So here is the branding, some texts are written over here, and here, as you can see. So yeah, overall a really nice power bank. So let me just quickly grab my phone and let's try to charge it. So I'm gonna be let's first insert the cable on port. Here we have battery indicator, how much battery is left. So currently it's at 41%. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is charge the power bank up to 100%, and after that you can use it. So let me just quickly try to charge a phone which I have, CMF Nothing Phone 1. Let's plug this in, 200 watts, and now let's plug it in our phone. Let's see if it's gonna fast charge. So here, as you can see, we instantly get a charging rapidly indicator. That means it's charging fast. So yeah, guys, overall a really nice power bank. I 100% recommend you to purchase this from Noon, especially with their ongoing sale right now. So I 100% recommend you to get it. So, and you also use my code, channel's code OFT, to get 10 Saudi Riyals cash back. So yeah, I really like the build quality of this power bank. And let's quickly put it in our pouch that comes inside the box. So here is our pouch, a really nice pouch actually to protect your power bank. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, click on the like button. It really helps the channel a lot. And thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. Click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Share this video with your friends, and comment down below if you like this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned for that. Allah Hafiz.